There's one thing that makes me feel pretty good in life. And it's my pets. And this one here is Blitz Ripple. Oh, baby. We're going to be on a video together? Give me a kiss. Oh, thank you. You're such a good boy. You're a pretty special birdie. Yeah, you want to dance? Oh. Come here, Blitz. Come here, baby. Blitz Ripple. Come here, baby. He's running away. He's going to his girlfriend Lola's. Hey, do you like that up there? Who's a good birdie? Is it you? Yeah, you're a good birdie. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, pal. There you go, buddy. Hey, who's a good birdie? Hi. Are you scared of the camera? You camera shy? It's okay.